cause it's the only way we ever will survive.
Rough life, enough crime, youth them had a hard time. No guides, no sign, walking on a thin line. Sentence, no trial, victim of a profile. No hope, more fight, wonder why we hostile. False prophet, make profit, focused on their pocket. White collar, false docket, door hoping can't lock it. Politics, politics, equal economic tricks. Death toll rising, sex commercializing, barely surviving, future jeopardizing, no compromising, hope paralyzing, rules need revising. Why is it surprising?
Got to eat the warning, see the storms are forming.